Hello and welcome back to a new video. Tonight we are driving the brand new Fiat Grande Panda, the electric version. It comes as an electric version. It comes also as a full hybrid version. I hope I can get that version to present you as well, because I think it's very interesting. But yeah, tonight we have the full electric version, and in this video it's all about driving in the night, enjoying the ambient driving in the night, this Fiat Grande Panda. Plus we will check the headlamps. I have La Prima version, that means the top of the range version. It comes with full, I think you saw before, full LED. They are not matrix, but they are full LED, low beam, high beam. I will test it. We will go on some dark streets so you can see it a little bit better. Also very nice design, very cute design. I think it fits really well for this class that the car it's in, and also the lighting system look gorgeous, and the pixelated idea, I think it's great. Anyway, we will talk more in a separate video about that. We have 17-inch rims, alloy rims on this version. Also on the rear you have those tail lights, which are full LED, by the way. Front, rear, full LED. So the tail lights and the headlamps are LED, even the turning signal is LED. And on the rear we have those tail lights, kind of pixelated, three-dimensional idea, which is great. The only thing that's not LED is the number plate light, which is a yellowish light, but I think you can change it yourself, you know. Let's go inside. I'm not going to talk too much about technical data and information, because I have a separate video, a full review video, and also a test drive video on the daytime where I explain you everything: suspension, interior, exterior, multimedia system. We talk about technical data. So in this video it's more about enjoying and driving, but I will give you some technical data and some info as we go in the video. This is the interior, this is the way it looks. Love those seats. I have to be honest, they kind of stole it from the group, from Citroën, because they are in the same group, Stellantis group. They kind of stole this idea of foam in the middle here, extra foam, which make those seats extremely comfortable. I really like them. We will talk more about them, of course, in the test drive video and in the review video. Now the key, it's classic, so you have to start it like that. Even though it's an electric car, you still have to start the car as a classic one, even though it's electric. But yeah, that doesn't bother me too much. Anyway, it's great that you can leave the key here. You don't have to put it anywhere around here. So this is a good thing, because the key have his own space. Now those are the headlamps, by the way, full LED. I love the fact that the headlamps are very bright, and the temperature of the light is very good. So this is the high beam, low beam, high, low. So we will go some dark streets so you can see a little bit better. You have some LED up here. The screens, everything is placed very well. You can adjust the steering wheel up, down, forward, backward. Anyway, let me put the seat belt. You have also the armrest, some ambient light around here, the climatic system with physical button, some buttons down here which are illuminated, wireless charging for your phone, and so on. Anyway, we will start driving. Also behind, let me stop this light. Behind every single button it is light, and it's a white light, which is great, because you know every settings where it's positioned, which is great. Anyway, the screens are also on dark. You can also dim them down if you want a little bit more. Yeah, you can dim them down the brightness so it doesn't bother you too much. Good visibility, good position of driving. This car have a ground clearance of 16 centimeters. Also stay a little bit higher, so it's small crossover SUV, but it sits so high, and I like that. Here is the shift-by-wire transmission. You can put it in drive, in D, and it has also a C here. C is for comfort. I will explain you what this C button do. When you put it in drive normal, you accelerate, and then when you release the acceleration, the car will regenerate the energy. If you put it in comfort, will be less regenerative brake, if that makes sense. Anyway, I will explain you more in the test drive video and also in the review video. Now, the first time you start driving, you will notice that the car is extremely pleasant to drive. It's extremely pleasant. It's very light. Steering wheel, it's extremely light. So this is something that I like extremely much. The fact that it's easy to go around the corner. It's a perfect car for the city. Now let's talk a little bit data. So this car comes with one electric motor on the front, 113 horsepower, a 44 kilowatt hour battery. It's an LFP battery. This is great because LFP battery will last longer. It's more stable, it's more safe, and it has up to 3,500 life cycles, charge discharge, so it lasts much longer than an NMC battery, which is great. Also, it's cheaper to change, cheaper to build. That's why they offer this car at a pretty good price. The range of the car around 320 km VLTP, probably in real life 250, around there. Also charging speed in DC up to 100 kilowatt, and in AC 11 kilowatt, which is pretty fine, more than enough. Otherwise, there are so many cool stuff here which I want to talk, of course, in the review video, and I really recommend you to check out the review video, because there are so many things to talk about this Grande Panda, so many interesting things on it. As you probably know, they share the platform with Citroën C3, and also Opel Frontera, which will come on the channel, of course. So they are in the Stellantis group. They work together on this platform, on these cars, and to be honest, they do a great job. And I like, you know, the most what I like in this car is the comfort. The seats are phenomenal. I like how easy it is to drive. It's extremely easy. The steering wheel is light. You go around very easy around the corners. And I was surprised. I didn't expect in the beginning that this car at high speed to be stable. I was expecting in the beginning to be, you know, somehow unstable if you look at the shape of the car, if you look at the power of the car, and the fact that it's a front wheel drive. But today I drive on the highway and I was quite impressed that the car stays quite well on the road as well. Anyway, this is the light, and from down here you can also adjust the headlamps. You can put it down a little bit more closer to the car, or you can lift it up all the way up, maximum around 200 meters, so you can see a little bit more from the road ahead, which is great. I mean, the color, the temperature color, it's great, and they're bright. I think you don't need more than that, mostly. For most of the people, for 80% of the time, they are more than perfect. I will check and I will test in a second also the high beam. We will go also on some darker streets so you can see a little bit better, but overall I'm pretty happy with the ambient and the ways to drive it in the nighttime as well. It's also pretty quick, and I was surprised to see it doesn't have double glass, but the sound insulation up to 100 km/h, it's super good. Super fine. And also pretty stable. That's the most impressive thing. It has independent McPherson suspension on the front. On the rear it comes with torsion beam, so it's not an independent, but it's fine for the size of the car, for what this car it is. It's more than decent. This is the high beam, by the way. Look how powerful it is. It's crazy powerful. So you can see all the signs, you can see the temperature of the light. It's great. The only things that's missing on this car, there are a few things like blind spot technology. It doesn't have blind spot technology, which I wish it has. And it doesn't have adaptive cruise control. It has lane warning assist and lane keeping assist. They push you back, but it doesn't have the lane holding or keeping. I don't know how to differentiate this. So if you go out, they push you back, but it doesn't hold you between the lanes. But other than that, also regenerative brake. I wish to be a little bit stronger, you know, for an electric car. I wish the regenerative brake to be a little bit stronger. So almost like a one pedal drive, you know. I'm a big fan of one pedal drive, if you watch some of my videos, so I wish that to be here as well. Otherwise, it's a lovely car to drive. Super light, super easy. I think all the girls will love this car. All the women will definitely love the car. It's so pleasant and easy to drive it, and it's so cute and it's so comfortable. It's pretty spacious. It has a lot of great features around here. Screens are great. You can also connect Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wireless. I will show you that in a separate video. Look at it, it's so easy to go around in corners. when you go over big bumps like you saw before, you feel like the suspensions are a little bit short, so it becomes a little bit stiffer, harsh at big bumps. Small, medium bumps, fantastic. Big bumps, a little bit harsh. That's something to yeah, it's normal. I mean, for this size, for the size of the car, for what it is, it's normal somehow. But overall, it's pleasant. It's gaining the power smoothly. Also, this is the ambient in the night. By the way, with the screens, they didn't bother me at all. I have a good view ahead, and I love the fact that I'm sitting so high, so I have such a good view. Another thing that I noticed on the car is the fact that we cannot see the consumption. I don't know why I didn't find that graphic or those informations on the screen, and I try my best. I think it's due to the software update, and I think Fiat will come with a software update where we can see also the consumption on the screen as a graphic. So yeah, if you take big bumps, like those speed bumps was quite big, a little bit faster, you will feel a little bit stiffer over big bumps. So as I said, it's quite normal, because this car is basically focused for the city, for driving in the city. Sound insulation is decent. Yeah, the price of the car, of course, we didn't talk about that. For the top of the range La Prima, the price it's around 29,000 euro, now depending which country you are. And for the entry-level version, the red they call it, it's pretty cool. Interesting story behind that red version, which we will talk in the review video. Start at around 25,000. It has smaller rims, around 16-inch, more efficient and a little bit quicker because it's a little bit lighter than this one. I don't remember exactly the numbers, but around 20-30 kilograms around there. But due to the rims and due to other parts, again, going over here, pretty nice, pretty smooth. This time was quite smooth. But I like how silent it's. Sometimes it feels so smooth, so silent, so pleasant to drive it. I like that. The big plus of this car definitely is the battery. One of the big plus is the 44 kilowatt hour battery, LFP battery, which is safe, will last longer in time, and I think it's a great thing that they bring it on the car. It's much more stable in terms of voltage. Another thing that I don't know and I forget to check, but definitely I will add it in the review and a test drive video, is the heat pump. I'm not sure if the car have a heat pump, so I definitely forget to check that, but I will check it tonight, and tomorrow when I do the review will be added in those videos. But yeah, for those of you that watch this video and know this information, please write in the comment for the other people to see, because maybe I forget to add it in this video, and there's maybe some people that will watch this video and they will never know the answer, or yeah, just check out the review or the test drive on the daytime, because there you will find that information as well. Otherwise, let's go ahead here. It's a little bit darker on this street in the end there, but I think you already made an idea regarding the lights. This is the low beam, this is the high beam. I like that it's the same temperature of color. It's bright, you can see the traffic signs very easy, and also on the dark streets it's illuminating the streets pretty well. So more than fine. I would say from 1 to 10, around 9. That would be my rating. They are good. They are definitely good. Now let's park it. I want to show you also, and look how easy it is to go around. 10.5 meter turning circle. Let's park it. I want to show you how easy it is to park this car. And I want to show you the camera on the nighttime, because it comes with a reverse camera, and I think these days it's mandatory in Europe to have a reverse camera, so you can build or you can sell a new car without a reverse camera these days. So going in reverse, very easy. This is the camera. Resolution is quite fine. Even in the nighttime you can see very clear. You saw that those lines there that help you guide you park the car. They're very useful. I think it's more than perfect. And you have also the parking sensors, which is also very helpful. I like the fact that when I put it in park, usually electronic handbrake, you can pull it from here, and also when you start driving you don't have to lift down. The electronic handbrake will lift automatically. So guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you get some useful information from here. For more information, definitely check out the test drive video and the review, because there you get more information. I go a little bit deeper into technical data and information, but this video was special for enjoying and see how is the ambient in the nighttime, because I know there are many people interested in that. So I have so many questions from you guys, so I try to bring you on every single car that I review. If I have time with it and I have the car for a few days, I always try to do these videos and incorporate the last video. Thank you again to all of you that watching my videos. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That will mean a lot for me. That will help me a lot. Stay safe guys, and we see you soon in the next one. Bye.